If you're feeling like your skin is maybe a little bit more swollen or just feeling a little bit sluggish, maybe you've been poorly and you just feel that your whole face needs rejuvenating, then use this little tip. Facial cupping. Now, I can't take the credit for this because it was my girlfriend that said, I've been really using and enjoying these facial cups. Do you use them? And I was like, well, no, actually, I don't. Tell me about it. What do you love about it? So it'd be great for one of your films. Now, I've had cupping done many years ago, and you might know or be more familiar with cupping when you see the marks on people's backs. It's used for detoxifying and really drawing out the impurities in people's bodies by using this very old method. But it does have a really instant, wonderful effect, and it's cheap as chips. You can get something for probably under a tenner on Amazon. So first of all, you need to cleanse your skin and apply a facial oil. The oil creates a really beautiful slip between your skin and the suction cup. And please be generous with this. It's a lovely way to hydrate your skin and just take it down your neck as well. This is the lovely oil I've been using called Elacura, and it's a natural product mixed with a little bit of biochemistry, and it has the most amazing formula. And the texture of this is really, really light and sinks beautifully into the skin. Now, I'm going to be using two sizes of suction cups, a smaller one for the eye area and this part for the larger surface area around my face. Now, the direction of these suction cups need to be brought all the way around to the lymph nodes of your face. So if you're not sure where they are, they sort of sprinkled around this area of your face. Now, lymph nodes almost act like a filtration system, and they contain immune cells which help fight bacteria. So if you've been a bit poorly and you're feeling that you're feeling a bit stagnant, this will help really boost your circulation and kind of invigorate your skin. So very simply, you just squeeze the tube and layer it over your skin. As you squeeze the suction cup, it's silicone, so it picks up your skin and it glides with the oil. It honestly takes a little bit of time getting used to, but once you've got it, it's actually really quite addictive. And it just pulls the skin. Now, don't worry, the suction cups are designed not to pull your skin too much. So I've done this over the last sort of 3 weeks, just preparing for this film, and I haven't once caused a bruise on my face, which, being naturally quite clumsy, is very easy for me to do. So right from the nose out towards the ear, and it's just really, really satisfying. There you are, you see, that didn't work, that's because I'm talking. So I need to relax my face and not talk to you, which would be quite boring. Lovely. Okay, so now, especially if you feel a little bit swollen under your eyes, you want to give your eyes a boost, you take the smaller one. Now you need to go through to the sinuses, and if you've got sinusitis or you've had lots of headaches or you're just feeling really kind of just sore around this area, this is a really gentle way to really help boost the circulation. And it's super gentle around the eye, and just drag it in towards the eye area to help the drainage, and it just picks up your skin. It's super gentle. And just go in about 15 times on either side. Squeeze and blend. Lovely. So not really anything that you can see, probably apart from just a little bit of a radiance in my skin. And you can see I'm not even too red, and my skin does create a very quick erythema when I have products or massage on my skin. So I'm feeling that my skin is kind of vibrant and quite zingy, but it doesn't look red, so I can put makeup straight on it. So I literally got these suction cups from Amazon. They're not branded at all. I think they were about £10. So if you've got a friend who's feeling a bit down in the dumps, then, you know, maybe send a little order over, or treat yourself just to a little bit of inexpensive beauty care to really boost your skin. Let me know what you think, or if you've even used them before. Chat to you below. Bye.